students. Good morning to everyone. Today, let us learn about the next topic is seed dispersion. Okay. So generally, you are thinking, what is the meaning of dispersion? Dispersion means that is the change of places, one place to another place. But here, there is a seed dispersion only discussing in this lesson. Okay. So that is seeds are traveling in one place to another place. So we are discussing in this lesson. Okay. That is your seeds are carried from one place to another place so that they get suitable condition to grow. Yes or no, ma? That is a suitable conditions. Suitable conditions means, for suppose some places you are observing top of the house, that is top, that is any places are in cracks of walls, you are observing the small plants are present only. Yes or no? So how can you are possible to you are coming to in small plants and that places? So because here that is the seeds are traveling, that is a carrying from one place to another place. Okay, that is the meaning of dispersion. Okay, dispersion of the seeds. Okay, you understood, Nana? Are you clear? So here in this lesson we are discussing the seeds dispersion. Okay, so seeds dispersion means that seeds are carried from one place to another place. So discussing in this lesson. But you are observing that so many seeds are in your daily life. Yes or no? So the seeds are all are in the same size and the same shape and the same structure you are observing? No. So they are, that is you are observing the so many size, that is the seeds are present in a size, different sizes and different shapes and different structures. Yes or no? So that's so that's one only here discussing that one only. Okay. So you are carrying that seeds, that types of seeds you are carrying. How can you are possible to you are discussing in this lesson. Okay. Now mainly here discussing the seeds dispersions by wind and that is the water, and one more thing is the birds and animals and human beings also. Yes or no? That is mainly seed dispersion, mainly discussing that in this lesson. So by wind and dispersal by water and dispersal by wind and dispersal by animals and dispersal by birds and dispersal by human beings. Okay. So in this lesson we are mainly discussing in 5 points. First one is dispersal by wind. Okay. So first of all we are discussing first point what, Nana? Seeds dispersal by wind. Okay. So first of all in this lesson we are discussing the first point what, Nana? So these seed dispersal by wind. Okay. Wind means that is moving air only. Yes or no? So here in this case we are carrying the seeds in air only. Yes or no? By the air. Okay. You are for example you are observing in so many examples are present in this lesson. That is a milkweed and maple. That is a milkweed means that in this type of gillette. Okay. So that is a milkweed and maple. Maple means that is this type of flowers, this type of plants. Okay, you are already you are observing in your surrounding. Yes or no? So this type of seeds also you are traveling in a air condition. That is a dispersal by wind. Okay, and this plant seeds this type only. Okay, and one more thing is here see in this chapter you are observing that is dandelion. This type of that is your grandpa and your parents are saying that is tataya white color flowers is flying in air condition. Yes sir, no, that type of seeds also you are present in that is carrying in wind, that is moving, that is traveling in that is traveling in air condition. Okay, and one more thing is this type of seeds also you are traveling in air, and so many and here see this type of that is a grass type of the plants also you are traveling in air condition. Okay, you are understood, Nana? Are you clear? So here mainly you are discussing in this case the seeds get adapted in such a way that they get carried away easily by wind. So that is carrying very easily by wind. Some seeds are floated in air. Some proper to travel short distance. That is a properly short distance only. Okay. So here see, so this type of plants that is a grass nana. So you are coming to air. So automatically you are fell down only. Yes sir, that seeds are fell down. So in traveling in some distance only. Yes sir, no. And one more thing is chilies. Yes sir, no. So chilies also you are that is a buster, and you are moving in some distance only. Yes sir, no. In air condition only. Yes sir, no. And sprinkle in water on the plant. So automatically that's fruits, that is drying fruits or drying seeds or anything only. Your brushes after that is forcefully moving in or that is seeds are coming to outside. You are traveling to some distance. Yes sir, no. So that type of also you are considered in a wind that is dispersal by wind only. Okay, you understood, Nana? So mainly seeds dispersal by wind means that is traveling in air. That seeds that is carrying the in air condition. Okay, that is traveling one place to another place. You are observing in so many places that type of. Okay, and one more point is, and one more thing is seed dispersal. Seed dispersal by water. And the next point is you are discussing in this lesson seed dispersal by water only. Okay, so here mainly you are traveling in water. Okay, so that is a water plants. Mainly they are that is an example for water plants. That is a lotus. Lotus is that is a seeds are traveling in water only. Yes sir, no, by the water. And next that is one more thing is coconut. That is a dry coconut only. Okay, dry coconut, that is a weightless only. Yes sir, no. So any weightless seeds are traveling on the water only. Okay, so automatically you are traveling to one place to another place by the water. Yes sir, no. Any seeds that is the weightless of the seeds only you are traveling on the by the water. Okay, in this case you are flying to the in air condition. That seeds are traveling to one place to another place. But here that is a weightless, but you are traveling to on the that is by the water only. Okay, so that is the weightless of the seeds. For example, lotus, and one more thing coconuts, and one more thing is that is tomato seeds and chili seeds, and so many are absorbing on the floating on the water. Okay, that is that type of the seeds are traveling into one place to another place. In you are observing in your surrounding, Nana, that is beach side is observed, Nana. That is the coconut plants are present only. Yes sir, no. Coconut trees are present on the near to the that is the beach. Yes sir, no. You are so because mainly you are traveling with that coconuts seeds are traveling by the water. So that wise only you are near to the that is near to the that is beach only. Okay, you are understood, Nana? Not only coconuts, any plants you are traveling by water only. That type of seeds are present in this case. Okay, so you are try to understood this type of materials, and you are identified the seeds, and just you write the list of the names. Okay, you are understood, ma'am? Are you clear? So in this case, the seeds adapted to float on the water are usually light. Okay, so that is traveled. So adapted to float. So float on water. So that type of seeds are present in this case. Okay. So the outer covering of the seeds are empty space filled. That is the empty space filled with the air. So for example, coconut. Yes, sir, that is a coconut outside is present in air and fiber content only. Yes, sir, that is very weightless only. Yes, sir, no. Inside you are present in the seed. Yes, sir, no, no. So automatically that outside is covering the surface is traveling on the flow. That is traveling by the water. Okay, that's why only that coconut plants is that seeds is dispersed to one place to another place. Okay, you understood, Nana? Some of that is fibers with the air space that enclose the whole seed are that is a fruits. Okay, that is a whole seed are fruits. Seeds are fruits only. Okay, so but in this case you are consider the examples for seed. Which seed? Coconut seed. Okay, and fruits also you are traveling on the water. Okay, and lotus also traveling on the water only. That's so lotus seeds. Okay, so many you are identified to the, you are trying to find out the names and note this your notebook. Some another seeds you are traveling on the water. And next one, now in this lesson you are discussing the next point is that is dispersion in the seeds dispersal by so wind complete and water complete, and one more thing is animals. Okay, so in this lesson we are discussing the next topic is that is seeds dispersal by animals. So animals means that is you are touched the our skin, that is animal skins only. Okay, you are traveling automatically, that seeds are traveling one place to another place. For suppose eating, that is eating the fruits or vegetables or drying fruits or drying any part of the plants, automatically that is traveling to one place to another place, because that is this is now in this place that animals some eating the fruits or vegetables. Okay, that animals traveling to one place to another place. So automatically that is digestion. You are ready, and that is digestion is coming to outside only. Yes, sir. No, that is the wastage is coming to outside, means that seeds are coming to outside. So that that time you are coming to new plants. Yes, sir. No, that seeds is going to soil. Automatically you are coming to new plants, and new plants are considered here that case. Okay, you understood, ma'am? Okay, animals తినిన తర్వాత దట్ ఈస్ ఈ ప్లేస్ నుంచి ఇంకో ప్లేస్ వెళ్తుంది కదా నాన్న, వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఆ టైంలో డైజెషన్ అనేది కొంచెం వర్క్ అవుతుంది. ఎస్ సార్, ఆ టైంలో దట్ ఈస్ యు ఆర్ రిలీజింగ్ ద వేస్టేజ్ అనదర్ ప్లేస్. ఎస్ సార్, నో. So you are eating and you are releasing the another place. Automatically that seeds is coming to outside. Yes sir, no ma. And your early morning also you are releasing your wastage on your body. Yes sir, no. So same times here, same type of the animals. Animals also you are releasing the wastage in another place. Automatically that seeds are also coming to outside. Okay. So that time that traveling the seeds is one place to another place. You are understood, Nana? And one more thing is that is the seeds that is the hooks type of the seeds also present. Hooks type of the seeds means this type of the seeds run. Here see. This type of the seeds you are automatically you are stuck to the that is the animal hair. Yes sir, no? And this type of the seeds also. This is the lily seeds. Okay, this is the lily seeds also. So this type of the seeds also hooked to the skin. That is the animal skin. Automatically you are traveling to one place to another place. Okay, that is the hooks and the thunders and the 8 parts. So 8 parts of the so this type of the okay, not this type, anything only. Okay, 8 types of the seeds also you are stuck, and that is stick to the air. That is animal air. Automatically you are traveling to one place to another place. Okay, so that time you are considered that seeds is dispersed in one place to another place. For example, you are considered that is lily. Okay, so lily seeds here see. This is the bush types of the seeds only. Yes sir, no? Automatically that is hooked to the animal skins. So automatically you are traveling to one place to another place. So as well as birds also same things only. Yes sir, no? So that birds is eating to the that is eating the beaks. Yes sir, no? With using the beaks, automatically that attach your mouth. You are traveling to one place to another place. Sometimes that fruits or vegetables, anything only you can that is traveling your mouth on in some fruits that birds. Okay, automatically that and fruits or seeds, anything only you are moving in a down. That is fell down on the moving in a downward direction. That time also you are traveling to that seeds or one place to another place. You are understood, Nana? Are you clear? So first one here consider the seed dispersal by wind. So wind means that is moving in a air. That's seeds are traveling in a air condition. And next seeds are dispersal by the water. So that is floating on the water. So seeds are floating on the water. Next seeds are dispersal by animals. So that is carrying in the that is sticks to the air and stick to the that is hooks to the animal skin or anything only or eating and any purpose that is traveling to that seeds are traveling to one place to another place. Okay, you are understood, Nana? Are you clear?